7 guidelines for a happy family. 1. Talk and listen. Talk to each other and really listen when someone talks. It's good to have conversations and pay attention. 2. Spend time together. Do things as a family like eating, playing games, or doing activities together. It's fun and helps you become closer. 3. Be nice. Be kind and respectful to each other. Don't say mean things or be mean. It's important to be friendly. 4. Help each other. Support each other and help out when someone needs it. It's good to be there for your family. 5. Solve problems. When you disagree, try to find solutions together. It's better to find answers than to fight. 6. Stick to a routine. Have a schedule for your day with time for work, school, and fun. It helps you know what to expect. 7. Take breaks from screens. Sometimes put away phones, tablets, and computers. Spend time talking and playing with your family in person. It's important to connect without screens.